Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. Welcome our home science class. This is fifth lecture of home science. It is presented by Hasina Afroz, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. Today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Meal Planning and Disciplined Lifestyle. It is chapter 12. In this chapter, I will discuss Lesson 1, Disciplined Living, Lesson 3, Heart Disease. After studying these lessons, you can know what is the key to success for every human being, which activities are the barrier of disciplined life, ways of living disciplined life, what is needed to maintain normal weight and keep body fit, effect of living a non-disciplined life. You can know about heart disease. You also know diet of heart disease patients. Disciplined living. What is the key to success for every human being? Health is the key to success and happiness for every human being. This is a knowledge-based question answer. What is key to preserving maintain good health? Living a disciplined life maintains good health. This is also a knowledge-based question. Students, get ready with your book and pen and underline these two sentences in your book. Which activities are the barrier of disciplined life? Taking fast foods every now and then, having soft drinks in the place of water, smoking, avoiding health rules, going to bed late, waking up late in the morning, following no routine, watching television for long, being busy with computer games, always going through mental stresses, neglecting physical works or exercise, ignoring religious activities, etc., are the barrier of disciplined life. Now, ways of living a disciplined life. At first, following healthy food habit, then doing physical works or exercise regularly, maintaining a specific time for going bed and waking up in the morning, controlling mental stress, planning of time and getting used to it, giving up smoking, following the religious and social bindings, establishing self-discipline and maintaining it, following healthy food habit. To live a disciplined life, one should follow a healthy food habit. Having a balanced diet, following a specific time for meals, taking limited food and water, omitting unhealthy foods from diet. To maintain a proper healthy food habit from an early age is foremost importance for any person. Doing physical works or exercise regularly. To live a disciplined and long life, it is necessary to do physical works or exercise regularly. People who do not do own works nor take part in games must do physical exercise regularly. Regular physical activities or exercise help to maintain normal weight and keep the body fit. Students, listen. What is maintain normal weight and keep the body fit? Regular physical activities or exercise help to maintain normal weight and keep the body fit. This is a knowledge-based question. Underline the sentence in your book. Maintaining a specific time for going to bed and waking up in the morning. To enjoy good health, we need to go to bed at a specific time and also wake up at the same time every day. People who goes to bed late and does not follow any timetable for sleeping, they develops a tendency of putting on weights and suffers from various health problems. 6 to 8 hours of sleep is obvious for good health. This is underlined also. A regular habit of sleeping early at night and waking up early every day should be practiced. Controlling mental stress. This is very important for us, for everybody. Mental stresses are at the highest peak due to uncontrolled and complex lifestyle which is the harmful to health and the main cause of high blood pressure and different complex mental disease. To do the right job at the right time in the right way, control hypertension and keep calm in any unfavorable situation help us to control our mental stresses. Planning of time and getting used to it. To get the best out of time, one needs to utilize his time properly from the childhood or else suffers from the negative result of being ignorant to time. Living disciplined life becomes easy by planning the time accurately and practicing it. Giving up smoking. We all know that smoking is harmful to health. Smokers live under the risk of easily getting affected by various diseases. Smokers do not only harm themselves while smoking, they harm people living around them. Thus, it can be said that never can a smoker preserve health nor live a disciplined life. Following the religious and social bindings, disciplined living becomes easy if we can follow the rules of religion and society from the very beginning of our lives. For example, limited intake of food, avoiding overeating, restraining from drinking alcohol, building up safe and healthy relationships with others, etc., helps us to establish a happy, disciplined life. Establishing self-discipline and maintaining it. A easy life is achieved by establishing self-discipline and maintaining it from the childhood. It is of foremost importance to adjust with a healthy lifestyle to keep fit and healthy. The above mentioned 8 factors, listen student, again, the above mentioned 8 factors play important roles in living a disciplined life. These must be followed from the early childhood to achieve a disciplined and healthy life. We should always remember that there is no substitute of disciplined living for a healthy and disease free life. Look, effects of living a disciplined life. Risk of various health problems increase with a non disciplined life. Increased weight, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, etc. become common. Short lifespan, decreased power of activities, increased possibilities of attack of non-curable disease. The above stated problems are very common in our country at present. This is a comprehensive type question. Now let's start lesson 3. This is heart disease. The number of heart disease patients is increasing day by day in our country. The main cause of heart disease are living an indisciplined life, having foods rich in fats, taking foods more than the requirements, not going through any physical works or exercise, genetic factors, metabolic disorders, etc. Only a disciplined life can help anyone out in heart disease. There are some important points. Controlling mental stress. This is very important for us, for everybody. Mental stresses are at the highest peak due to uncontrolled and complex lifestyle which is the harmful to health and the main cause of high blood pressure and different complex mental disease. To do the right job at the right time in the right way, control hypertension and keep calm in any unfavorable situation help us to control our mental stresses. Now we can see diet in heart disease. This is very important for heart disease patient. A balanced diet with an adequate amount of energy is prescribed for patients of heart disease. Intake of sugar, salt and fat must be limited and large amount of fibrous food must be included in the diet. Raw milled rice, wheat flour good for health, but the amount should be limited. Fibrous food like spinach, vegetables, lemon, orange must be included in diet. Colorful vegetables like carrots, cucumber, beetroot must be taken regularly. A habit of taking seasonal fresh foods helps a lot in heart disease. Fish, egg, chicken should be included in the diet necessary amounts. Skimmed milk and yogurt are good for heart disease. Underline this sentence, students. Then, food should be omitted. Which foods should be avoided for heart disease. Butter, ghee, dalda, cream, sauce, all kinds of oily food or oily fat foods are omitted. Ice cream, sweet, dessert, liver, chicken or duck, cooking salt, salted preserves such as cheese, sauce, soya sauce, chips, salted nuts, chanachur, salted fishes, fast food, fried chicken, nugget, bakery product, soft drinks, energy drinks, dark coffee, salt and salad dressing in salad are forbidden. Chinese salt must be omitted. This chapter is very much important for us. You must follow the way of disciplined lifestyle. You don't read this chapter only for exam. Follow your life. Look at the homework. Today's homework is 5 comprehensive type questions. Which activities are the barrier of disciplined life? Why healthy food habit is necessary? Explain the effect of living a non-disciplined life. What are the main cause of heart disease? Why mental stress controlling is necessary? This question is learn plus write. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.